the competition for internet eyeballs is fiercer than ever. For law firms looking to enhance their marketing efforts, explainer videos are a valuable tool. Explainer videos use art, animation, and voiceover to explain complicated subjects in an accessible and engaging way. Ready to increase website traffic and heighten engagement on your social media channels? Explainer videos can help. Explainer videos avoid the time and expense of traditional video production. By showing instead of telling, you'll make for a more captivating presentation. Educating potential clients helps overcome their objections, especially with sensitive legal issues. Firms can use explainer videos in multiple marketing campaigns. They improve content visibility and generate conversions. The stats speak for themselves. Videos attach 300% more traffic and help to nurture leads. A website is 53 times more likely to reach the front page of Google search if it includes video. Including a video on your landing page can boost your conversion rate by up to 80%. Impressive. PaperStreet offers custom video packages to suit each client's unique requirements. We'll write the script and storyboard, create the artwork, animate, and record the voiceover too. Need a legal explainer video? Give us a call at 954-523-2181 or contact us through our website.